Okay, so here's what we're going to do now. You guys are going to walk holding hands, and Tim, you're going to look that way, and Raquel, you're going to look at Tim as if you're telling him something. Matter of fact, I want you just to tell him whatever. But here's the deal. When you walk, I want you to walk extremely slowly, like about this pace. And you have to look up. Whoa, almost fell. Just really super slow. Because what that'll do is it'll make put your feet in line with each other if you walk really slow. Tim, you're looking that way. Raquel at Tim.
Am I on this side still?
Yes, you're on the low side, of course. Of course. Low side.
Hands or just walking?
Are you holding hands? You are holding hands and walking. That's good. Okay, now you can turn around and very slowly.
And I'm looking over there?
You're looking that way. Raquel, you are looking. Actually, Tim, I want you to look that way. Good. And Raquel, so super slow. Just come this way. Ready, set, go. Walk really slow. One foot kind of right in front of the other. Great. Really super slow. Raquel, 1 foot. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Good. All right, Raquel, I want your head back, like way back just for a second, like looking up at the sky almost. One more time. Good. All right, you can look down. That's great. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Good. All right, got it. Okay, so we've done the V, we've done hand holding, and now we'll do back and front. So the keys with this one is to make sure you've got a great line on the head, clearly see it, that there's no shadows obscuring anything, and that you get some different looks, and you watch the hands while you're doing it. So let's go ahead and get started. Fantastic. We're going to start, thank you, relax the hands. Raquel, I like that with your hand. And with your other hand, I want you to put it up and around his shoulder. Like that, good. And then I want you to angle your hips out. Yeah, and you know what? I actually really liked the way that you were looking just a second ago when you were looking a little bit. Yep, now I want you to look past him this way. Great, give me a lot of angle with the head and shoulders. A lot of angle, yeah, good. And then back at Timmy. Yeah, Timmy. And Tim, I want you to lean your head back just a little bit now. Good, like that. Good. Really nice. Good. And now, Raquel, I want you to really get your head over his shoulder if you can. Really get it up there. Good. Now I want you to come in real slow and just give him a kiss. And instead of giving him a kiss, I want you to like big raspberries. Yeah, yeah, love it. That's great. All right, Tim, right here. Good. And I'll come in again real slow one more time. This time, nice little kiss. Tim, your chin down. Great. Perfect. That's good. Now we're going to switch. Timmy. Perfect. So Raquel. Big angle with the hips, both hands big and out. Tim, what I'd like you to do now is I would like your hand to go on Raquel's hip. Other hand. Good. Now, Raquel, put your hand actually under Tim's arm, like this, and like up on his shoulder. I love the hand and the wrist position going under the arm with this shot. Big hips, big hips, hip turn. That is Tim, chin down. Relax. You can do it. You can do it. Love it. Love it. All right, Timmy, I want you to come around in front just a little bit more. Raquel, more shoulders, more head. Great, great. Tim, I want you to rest your head up against Raquel's now. Good. I want you to look at her while you're doing it. Turn your head even more and rest. Rest it. Yeah, oh my gosh, that's great. Now that's fantastic. Good. Happy, happy. Timmy, look right here now. Don't move your head. There you go. Head down still. Great. Oh my gosh, Raquel, that's fantastic. I love it. Just absolutely. All right. Gosh, I just like don't want to leave. What's that? What's that, Timmy? Tim, you're really there.
I'm part of the process.
You are really there.
I'm really in it.
You're like a model. That's more like Raquel. Maybe less. That's maybe less you, Tim. But you're doing a really good job of being there.